Hello everyone, this series is all about making an astrolabe. I will show the simplest form of making an astrolabe on a piece of paper, and I will also show how to derive formulas for making an astrolabe. First, understand how astrolabe is projected. Astrolabe is a stereographic projection of three-dimensional celestial sphere onto the two-dimensional equatorial plane. Let's see how celestial sphere gets projected. This is the celestial sphere with north-south and east-west directions. North-south will represent the prime meridian and the east-west direction represents the equatorial line. This is the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, and this is the ecliptic, which is the annual path of the sun around the earth. Project all these circles onto the equatorial plane is viewed from the south. As you will see, projection of all these circles will give concentric circles. All these concentric circles except the ecliptic are called the climate circles. In the next video, I will show how to make climate circles. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates on the upcoming videos of making an astrolabe.